I decided to do my ISU presentation on sand tiger sharks. Description: these beautiful creatures are as large as a typical ideal shark. They have 3 sets of visible, long and dagger-like teeth. They have very small eyes. However, unlike other sharks, the sand tiger sharks do not have a third eyelid which can pull over its eyes when attacking, as noted in other sharks, such as the gray reef shark. Sand tiger sharks are typically light brown with white underbellies and may have some spots. Another typical feature that these sharks have is their equally sized dorsal fins. Appearances at times may be deceiving, as these sharks are actually harmless and very calm. This is an observational video that I took at Ripley's Aquarium of sand tiger sharks. Taxonomic classification. The scientific name for sand tiger sharks is Caracus taurus. Caracus taurus means bull shark. This is a continuation of the classification. Habitat. Their name comes from their tendency towards shoreline habits. Sand tiger sharks are known for roaming the ocean floor and being very close to shore. These sharks are normally found in warm temperature oceans around the world. Sand tiger sharks are the only sharks known to come to the surface and gulp air. By gulping for air, they store their air in their stomachs, which then permits them to float motionless in the ocean as they seek their prey. These sharks migrate during the summer to colder water. The younger sharks do not take part in migration. Sand tiger sharks also migrate after mating to warmer water. Sand tiger sharks live in salt water and tropical water. This is a map of where sand tiger sharks usually live. This is the evolutionary path of a sand tiger shark. Digestion. The sand tiger shark has a simple digestion system in the sense that as they have captured their prey and eat it, the prey then travels to the sand tiger shark's stomach. Once the food is digested, it travels through the intestine and then is discharged. Reproduction. The sand tiger shark has an unusual method of reproduction. During its embryonic phase, the more developed embryos eat up their less developed siblings. In this way, only the two strongest young, one per uterus, survive and are born. Once mating is done, they tend to migrate to warmer water. Perhaps the reason why these sharks are endangered is because only 1 or 2 are born per female shark every 2 years. Respiration. Sand tiger sharks have a very distinct feature in that they suck in air as an additional buoyant acid. Although these sharks breathe through air as many other sharks and underwater creatures, what kind of sets them apart is that unlike other sharks, the sand tiger sharks are the only known sharks to come to the surface to gulp air, which later helps them float almost motionlessly as they look for prey. Cardiovascular system. The shark's powerful heart moves oxygenated blood through the body and carries away metabolic waste. Compared with other fishes, sharks have a huge blood volume. Fun facts. Jaws. Prostebile jaws detach from the skull during an attack, extending their reach and size. Camouflage. Sharks are counter-shaded, dark on top and light on the bottom. This makes them harder to see from both above and below. Dorsal fin. The dorsal fin provides directional stability, like the keel on a boat. Nose. Sharks can smell a single drop of blood to 1/4 mile away. This is the anatomy of a sand tiger shark. This is another video taken at Ripley's Aquarium in which I observed sand tiger sharks. And that's the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. By Angela Campos.